Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaushal and today I'm basically running some errands, so I thought I would show you guys my errands face that I do. And when I'm running errands or if I'm out and about during the day, coming in and out of the house, I want to feel like I'm put together, but I don't want to be wearing a lot of makeup. So that is the vibe that we're going to be going for, but I'm also going to do my hair as well. So if you would like to get ready with me to run some errands, then please keep watching. First things first, I'm going to do my hair. And I've been loving this hairstyle for when I have greasy hair and I can't be bothered to wash it, which is basically today. I'm just making sure my hair is brushed nicely. I'm then gonna find my middle parting. Now because my hair's greasy at the roots, I feel like I don't need any hairspray, but you can totally add hairspray at this point if you want. But then I'm just gonna start gathering my hair and making sure I'm not losing that middle parting and brushing my hair into my hand that's holding my ponytail. And this literally only takes me 2 minutes to do. But once I've kind of found where I want it, I just tie my hair into a ponytail. It's quick, easy, but it's really nice to get your hair out your face and still feel like you've done something to it, because 9 times out of 10, I always feel like I never do anything to my hair. But ever since I would do my hair like this, and even if I did a subtle glam look, I just feel really put together. I've made more effort with my hair. So now that my hair is all done, I'm gonna move on to skincare. Whenever I don't wanna wear much makeup, I make sure my skincare game is on point. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do and show you guys right now. I have already cleansed my skin and I'm gonna go in with a chemical exfoliator. I'm gonna be using the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peel Pads. I love these, I've been using them for years. I go in with side number 1 first, make sure that's all over my face before going in with the second side. You do feel a little bit tingly in certain parts of your skin, but it's totally perfectly fine to use it every single day if you want to. I generally use it when I'm going out anywhere, but I love them so much. Speaking of products that I love, I'm gonna go in with my favorite eye cream. The one that I'm using is my favorite Shiseido Ultimate Eye Cream. I've been using this for so many years. I love that it's hydrating for my skin, but it's also helping my fine lines around my eyes so much. And it's definitely a holy grail of mine. I'm going to go in with my serum next, and speaking of fine lines, I'm going to take the serum that I feel has really helped me, especially with my fine lines on my forehead. And whenever I switch and change my serums around, I always go back to this one. But I'm going to go in with my Shiseido Ultimate Concentrate, which is the serum, and I'm going to get that all over my face and give myself a little bit of a massage as well whilst I'm doing that to let it really soak into the skin. Seeing as I want to wear really minimal makeup, I'm going in with a combination that I've just been obsessed with recently, and that is the Gold Faden Radiance Repair Serum mixed in with a bit of the Eureka Sun from Wind. It is such a winning combo for me. I love that my skin is not only left looking really glowy from the serum, but it's also got a little bit of bronze going on from the Eureka Sun. It's honestly the perfect match. Do you see what I mean about the beautiful glow that it gives? It is honestly so stunning and I love it for no makeup days. Not that my skin needs it, I'm just gonna add a little bit of moisturizer on top, but I'm gonna mix it in with my SPF. So I'm taking my Wind Medina Dew and my Ultraviolet Queen Screen and I get that onto my face for a little bit of extra hydration and also some SPF. And I'm not forgetting to add this to my neck as well. I would totally go out like this, on a full-on no makeup day, but I am gonna add a little something on just to make me feel a little bit more put together. So now for the makeup-y products, I'm gonna go in with my brows first, and I'm gonna use the By Ellie Brow Shape and get this into my brows and get them into the shape that I want them to be before I go in and just very slightly fill them in. I never thought I would be that fluffy brow kind of girl, but I honestly feel so put together by just doing my brows and nothing else. Now I'm gonna move on to just kind of doing a little bit of something to my skin. And for that, I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener. And I'm gonna get this under my eyes, first of all, and just blend all of that out. This has such a beautiful metal, cooling tip, and it really helps with depuffing and calming the eyes in the morning as well. Then I'm gonna go in with a Rare Beauty Concealer and apply that into any of the areas where I feel I just wanna even my skin tone out and blend it in with my fingers. I feel whenever I wanna do an easy, no makeup kind of put together vibe, I always use my fingers as much as possible. I'm just doing a few little bits here and there, but I love just how overall my skin still looks like skin, it still looks glowy, but I've just kind of perfected it in a few areas. I feel I can't live without blush, so I am going to go in with my Pixie On The Glow blush stick in the shade Fleur in the usual areas, and again blend that out with my fingers as well. Because I've already got those tanning drops on and my skin is still looking really glowy, there's no need for me to go in with any bronzer or any highlighter because I want to be doing less things in the morning when I'm getting ready on days like this, and I just want quick, easy, effective things that I know are just going to work on my skin. I'm very quickly going to take my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and use that to fill in my brows brows very slightly, just in some places to make them look a little bit fuller and fluffier. Then taking my Rare Beauty mascara, I'm going to get that onto my top and lower lashes. You can totally skip this step if you want to have a bit more of like a fresh-eyed look. But I just love mascara and I'm going to go in with that anyways. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a lip color, and I want something very light and easy to wear. So I'm taking the Shiseido Techno Satin Gel Lipstick in the shade 408 Voltage Rose. And I'm going to get that onto my lips and then pat that through with my fingers as well, because this just leaves a really beautiful stain-like finish. And it also looks really nice and melted into the lips as well. And this, you guys, is the end of the look, and I'm ready to go and run some errands. This is honestly, in real life, it doesn't really look like you're wearing anything at all. And I just love how the skin does the talking. My skin is gonna look glowy for ages. I just love it. And also because this is skincare focused, I know my skin is gonna be soaking up all the goodness from all the products throughout the day as well. And I just genuinely love wearing less makeup these days. And this is the kind of look that I go for on all the products that I have used and mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box. So please don't forget to check that out. And as always, if there's anything I've forgotten, it will be in the description box as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit a like on this video if you liked it. Let me know what you'd like to see next. But I think that is everything from me, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video.